To create a simple calculator program in Python that can perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, follow these comprehensive step-by-step instructions. Start by defining the addition function. Name the function add, and it should take two parameters, x and y. Inside the function, return the sum of x and y. Next, define the subtraction function. Name it subtract, and it should also take two parameters, x and y. This function should return the result of x subtracted by y. Then, create the multiplication function. Name this function multiply, and similar to the previous functions, it should take two parameters, x and y. The function should return the product of x and y. Now, define the division function. Call this function divide and give it two parameters, x and y. Inside the function, first check if y is equal to 0. If so, return the string error, division by 0, to handle the division by 0 error. Otherwise, return the result of x divided by y. After defining all the arithmetic functions, start the main program. Begin by printing a message to the console to let the user know they can select an operation. Display the options for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, each labeled with a number, 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, and 4 for division. Initiate a while loop that will keep running until the user decides to exit. This loop allows for multiple calculations without restarting the program. Inside the loop, prompt the user to enter their choice of operation by asking them to input a number corresponding to the operation they wish to perform. Check if the user's choice is one of the 4 valid options. If it is, proceed to ask for the 2 numbers to be used in the calculation. Convert these inputs to floating point numbers to handle decimal inputs. Based on the user's choice, perform the corresponding arithmetic operation by calling the appropriate function defined earlier. Pass the 2 numbers as arguments to this function. Print the result of the operation to the console. Format the output to show the operation performed and the result. For example, 5 plus 3 equals 8 for an addition operation. After displaying the result, ask the user if they want to perform another calculation. If the user inputs yes, the loop will continue and they can perform a new calculation. If they input no, break out of the loop to end the program. If the user's initial choice of operation is not one of the valid options, print an invalid input message and prompt them again without exiting the loop. By following these steps, you will create a simple and interactive calculator program that allows users to perform basic arithmetic operations and handle multiple calculations in a single session.